Can you feed yourself that banana? This could be a 5-minute video. Into her first self-feeding. Where did it go? Where did it go? It's in your hand. There it is. Good girl. Did you get it in? I think you did. Is that pretty good bananas? Is that pretty good bananas? Is that a good one?